atomic energy.
How many kinds of atoms are there?
Well, there are about 96 different kinds of atoms.
Which is the simplest kind of atom?
The hydrogen atom. It has one electron, and its nucleus has one proton. It is the lightest atom.
Which is the most complex atom?
The uranium atom. It has 92 electrons, and its nucleus has 92 protons and 146 neutrons. It is the heaviest atom.
What are the chief parts of an atom?
The chief parts of an atom are its nucleus or core, and the one or more electrons that circle about the nucleus. The nucleus contains one or more protons and neutrons. Most of the atom is empty space, just like our solar system.
What is a chain reaction?
Some of the neutrons given off by the fission in turn split other atoms, which speed on and split still others.
Flowers and houses and people and clouds, iron and water and horses and cows are made up of millions of billions of trillions of specks of invisible molecules. Molecules, molecules, specks of invisible molecules. Everything everywhere in the world is made up of moving molecules, skipping and jumping and bouncing and bumping, leaping and flying and banging and thumping. Everything everywhere in the world is made up of moving molecules.
Molecules are made up of atoms. And because there are 96 different kinds of atoms called elements and thousands of combinations of these elements, we divide the molecules into two kinds, the element molecules and the compound molecules. Look at an element, what do you find? All of its atoms are all of one kind. A compound is different, its atoms are different. The difference is two kinds of molecules. Molecules, molecules, compound and element molecules. Everything everywhere in the world has compound or element molecules, skipping and jumping and bouncing and bumping, leaping and flying and banging and thumping. Everything everywhere in the world is made up of moving molecules.
What holds molecules together?
Well, an attraction or force called cohesion, holding things together. Cohesion is strongest when the molecules are closest together. In a solid, they are so close they can move very little. In liquids, the cohesion is less. The molecules slip past each other, and the liquid has no form of its own. In gases, the cohesion is so slight that the molecules move very fast.
What does heat do to molecules?
Heating a substance adds energy to its molecules and breaks down the cohesion between them. Cooling takes away energy and increases the cohesion. The degree of heat determines which form it takes. Hydrogen oxide, for example, can be a solid, ice, a liquid, water, or a gas, water vapor. Molecules, molecules, specks of invisible molecules. Everything everywhere in the world is made up of moving molecules, skipping and jumping and bouncing and bumping, leaping and flying and banging and thumping. Everything everywhere in the world is made up of molecules.